I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Koodo to Virgin, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Gather information. Collect the necessary information from your Koodo account. This includes your account number, the phone number you want to port, and any security PIN or password associated with your account. Step 3. Start the porting process. Go to the Virgin mobile website or visit a Virgin store. Choose the option to transfer your number and fill out the required information, including the details you gathered from Koodo. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email or message. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the porting process. Keep an eye on your Koodo account for any notifications. Step 5. Test your new service. Once the porting is complete, test your new Virgin service by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter issues, restart your phone or check the network settings. Sometimes toggling airplane mode can help refresh the connection. Switching providers can be a hassle, but following these steps should make it easier. Good luck with your new Virgin service.